can we see who viewed our Instagram video? Hello everybody, if you are wondering how you may follow this step. So for that, you may open up Instagram and head over to the profile in the bottom right. After doing so, you will be finding this. So from here, you may head over to the reel section. And when you head over there, you should be finding this number on your video. So let's head over to the video first. Once you head over the video or from the section like this, you may tap on the three dot at the top, and here you'll be finding options, different options, editing and different. So if you're trying to look for the people who have viewed your video, unfortunately Instagram does not show us directly. We only get to know the number of views. So if you are trying to look for the number of views, so you may tap on the number of views to see a detailed breakdown. Otherwise, the only method is you need to head over to a story and then look for the video that you posted. For example, like this. After that, in this button, you will be finding activity section with likes and the number of people who have viewed. So all you gotta do is simply tap on it, and you can also view the viewers for 24 hours, like who have viewed your video from your story. So those are only the method for now. If you want to view if you want to see who viewed your Instagram videos. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.